Bonjour.
Bonjour. Hey, I'm fat, man.
Okay.
But see me in 3 months, you will not recognize this face.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, party people. Hello. It is Friday, December 18th. Welcome to the vlog. We are having a fun day. We've already been to the bank and another bank and another bank. I've literally been to 3 banks this morning, and now I'm picking up breakfast for me and Julian. I'm at Penny Ann's Cafe in Draper, and I'm just waiting for the food to get done. Oh, did I zoom in? Oops. Okay, now I have to make this right again. Anyway, I just wanted to jump on, say good morning, say what's up. Okay, guys, so because we have to wear masks right now, which, by the way, this is the mask of the day. I got a pimple this morning right here, so I can wear these patches and no one will know because I have to wear a mask. It's beautiful. But you have to wear this patch for like 8 to 12 hours. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be wearing that today. Anywho, let's go pick up some breakfast. Yeah. Am I gonna bring you in? No, because I don't have that many hands. I'm new at vlogging, so I'm like nervous. Also, I live in Utah where like people don't vlog here, so you know, and I'm alone. So I'm gonna leave you right here. I'm gonna go pick up the food. Thank you so much for coming to my TED Talk. Got it. Also, I've been watching these like 4 guys schmooze each other for like 15 minutes. I'm uncomfy. I'm uncomfy about it. Gotta make sure my patch is still on. Okay, let's go. Seatbelt safety first.
Holiday season, a bunch of my friends announced that they are pregnant, and you know.
Okay, so I'm at Dutch Bro. I've never been here. The line's kind of long. They have it set up for like stalls because it used to be a Sonic, but they're not using it. So whatever. Like a holiday, anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can move on up with me.
Of course, no problem.
Like a candy cane cold brew.
Yeah, let's do that.
Do that?
Yeah.
Okay. What size would you like?
Just like a medium.
Medium. Okay. All right. Anything else for you?
That's all.
Awesome.
I moved the camera a little bit because like down there, because she like comes up to your car at this place, and I didn't want her to be like, why are you filming me? You know? Also, the lighting is abysmal. The sun is literally right in my face. But okay, does this happen to anyone else? Do you get like cold, so you turn the heat up, but then it's like hot and like there's no balance? There's no good balance. I'm just gonna open my window, like keep the heat on my feet because my feet are cold, but like my face is hot. Maybe it's the mask. Maybe. Who knows? Yay. Yay. So I just got a caramel frap for husband because he likes caramel, like blended drinks. And then I got myself a peppermint cold brew. Maybe? Yeah. So we're gonna get those. Mafia only. What? That's what it says on their door. It says Mafia only. Okay. I wonder if the real Mafia is like, or maybe this is like their money laundering scheme. Dun dun dun.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, good.
I love your mask, by the way.
Thank you.
Did you have the Golden Eagle Freeze and then the Candy Cane Cold Brew?
Yeah.
It is that Golden Eagle Freeze, so we're just putting on the cold brew. And then there is that Candy Cane Cold Brew.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good day.
You too. Look at this drink. Oh my god, it's so cute. And I just got a car wash from their stuff. Oh my gosh. I have to show you the top of this when I get back. It is so cute. I'm gonna do a taste test while I'm waiting to get on the road. Oh my god, that is so good. I'm gonna try my husband's. Don't tell him. He'll find out later. That coffee! Finally! You aren't moving. Let's share the road, old lady. Rude. The coffee itself is like such a good blend. I don't love Starbucks blend of coffee. I really like the Panera blend of coffee, but we don't have Panera in Utah. Thanks, Paradise. Bunch of buttheads. Anyway, that is really good. I think I'm converted. Oh gosh, I've done it. We've done it now. Oh, we've done it now. We got for breakfast. So I got you. That's your side of sausage. And then I got a side of bacon, which seems, oh, that's actually not bad. Like it's crispy. Crispy bacon. I literally have no idea what this is. Love that. Ketchup. Got you sriracha.
I don't like sriracha.
Well, it's the hot sauce we had.
Yeah, I know.
Can you help?
What is this?
That is your omelet. I got him a 3-meat omelet. And then I got myself, I think it was 3/4 knives. Here. And then I got myself like this pot thing.
I like this one.
I don't know. Anyway. Alright, let's do lash liner. We're gonna do it really thin today because I know not everyone loves a wing, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it on the thinner side.
You can go in front of me.
That felt so weird. Oh my gosh, it feels so crazy to do such a small wing. Or not even a wing.
You want your receipt? Hello. How you guys doing? So today's buy one, get one free. So now you have This compra uno el second Soy 7.98 centavos. Okay. Cash? I don't know if I have that much.
We do. We should. How much?
$7.
Oh.
You don't have that much. You don't
Yeah.
have. It's buy one, get one 50%.
Mm-hmm.
So if I got one of those, would another one be 50% off and then those two together? Or
This is the best one, right? This is the natural one or the different one?
yeah. So like, I really try that.
And then it's on. Just like that. I'm the boss. There's two of you. See? And now we are seeing Miss Conga lining up the lash. She is the world champion lash application artist. And she sticks the landing. Oh, that was an intense one for this one. We got it. She stuck the landing yet again. That is a gold medal for lash application for Miss Conga. Yes, yes. And that's it. Okay, so I just want to brag about this new lipstick that I carry in my store, you guys. So it's the Matte Mousse lipsticks, and they look like these. They're so pretty, guys. These freaking, they smell like coffee bean jelly beans, and the color is so beautiful. This is like literally.
Change.
Oh, this is my perfect color. Right here. And the smell, it literally smells like a Jamocha shake from Arby's. Who goes to Arby's? Me. How pretty is that? So pretty. And I had my balm that I sell here, like the lip balm on before I put this on, so it's like, it's so comfy too, like very comfortable. But now I need to put my mask back on. I just wanted to brag about this lipstick. So tonight we are probably gonna be going to like a drive-through Christmas light thing with the kids, and hopefully dinner. We're going to dinner. Maybe. Anyway, thanks for watching my vlogtorial of this eyelashes. My eyes look fire today. We should take pics.
We're going home, right?
Mm-hmm.
I need to pee.
Okay, this is absolute bull crap. It's 6 o'clock. What the heck? We got some babies. Hello. We're gonna go eat Red Basil in South Jordan.
Mama, sit down.
Choo-choo.
So dark. I'm a bad vlogger. Let's look what we have. I got yellow curry pineapple.
Wait.
I got some spring rolls that are
to Coronation Day.
You got
Red.
red curry, and I got some tea that's really, really sweet. And that's it. We're just having a family dinner. My husband's just laughing at me right now.
I'm not laughing at you.
Because I'm dumb. Look at what I did.
Yeah, I'm not laughing.
Look at what I did. Look at what I did. No, Carnic. Okay, guys. This is my first week of vlogging, so I'm allowed one F up. Although I've already F'd up a couple times. Anyway, oh, my makeup looks good. Right? Guys, are you excited?
Yeah.
Juju's yawning. Bella, we're gonna see some lights. You so excited? Excited. All right, here is like the view from the outside. We're just waiting to go in. For the lights to show. And I'll probably put you guys on a time lapse so you can just see all of it and have fun. So enjoy. And also because they have copyright music, so like I can't properly vlog this